In this video, we'll do a scatter plot with our suppliers to see who is our more higher price suppliers, who's providing more volume, and so on. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at average price. And so we're going to take it and drag over to columns. Um, and then we're going to take total volume and drag it over to rows. Remember, we have average price, and sum. If you have not done it, if yours looks like this and you have a circle, and let's start with it's automatic. Let's start with a circle. So we just click the drop down the marks card, and we have a single point, right? Which is the average price and the average volume. What we'd like to do is get a bit again more granular. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that supplier ID and we're going to drag it over the color. And what that did is now we have our three suppliers. We're going to take it again and we're going to drag it over the label. So now we can see that's C, that's B by default. Well, we can't see because their lower one is B. Now there's one more thing we haven't done yet, which is to use the pages feature. And so the pages features allows us to see things over time and trace it. So for instance, if we take the observation date and we drag it in pages, what you'll notice is there's a new pop-up here. This is year of observation. What we want to do is we want to click on the show history, click the drop down, and under show history 4, we could select all and both. And once we do that, if we click run, you'll notice that it goes through each of the years and it'll track the points of our suppliers and what those points were. Now we only have 4 because these are the observation. This is the year, but it's the same thing. If you did it with month, it would be the same concept. You switch it and you have your months here. Once you click run, then it'll track and all of the data points for each of the suppliers over time. And you could see if they're if we're using them more or less, if their prices have gone up and down, etc. All right, and so with this, let's rename this file to supplier, hit enter, and we will see you in the next video.